Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fresh intraday trading idea for you. Buy Jindal Fort, buy above 1035, stop loss 1025, first target 1065, second target 1095, third target 1135. This setup is based on price action and short term momentum. If you like this setup, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading ideas. Happy trading!